Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Lords mobile game on your PC. So let's get started right away. Now, in order to install this game on your PC, you will need to download an Android emulator. So in order to do this, open up your web browser first and then search for any Android emulator using your search engine or go to bluestacks.com and press enter. You can then click on the download button to download the installer. Once the installer is downloaded, just open it up and click through the next buttons to install the BlueStacks emulator on your device. Once it is installed, simply open it up, and once you have access to your Android home screen, just tap on System Apps and then tap on Play Store. Now, within the Play Store menu, first you will need to log into your Google account. After you have logged in, tap on the search box and then type in Lords Mobile and start your search. Now, within the search results, just tap on the Lords Mobile game and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Lords Mobile game on your PC. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when you see the play button, you can tap on it to open up the game. After this, it will also create a shortcut within your desktop from which you can double click and directly launch open the game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Lords mobile game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.